Hi students, this is Mahima Gupta and today we are going to start our next chapter and the name of this chapter is Uses of Computer. We had already studied our first class on the topic Computer Fundamentals. So this is our second chapter, Uses of Computer. So let's start with the first slide. Computer is a very useful machine. Let us learn about the uses of computer. In this particular chapter, we are going to study about the various uses of computer in many of the field. So, the fields in which we are going to study about the uses of computer are as follows. With the help of this flowchart, we can learn about them. So, a computer can be used in our school, at home, at office, in shops, at railway station and airport also, in banks, in hospitals, in designing, in scientific research army, in publications and etc. So, we are going to study about the uses of computer in these places. So the first one is in school. Okay. Computer is used by teachers to explain our lessons in an interesting way because computer can perform many of the graphics and we can deal with many of the pictures and graphics and GIF also with the help of computer so that these type of object create create our lessons and chapters in a more interesting way so that the students can be attracted toward the studies. For that purpose, teacher use computer for explaining their lessons. So next point is it is used to prepare the report card. As we know, the working of a computer is much reliable than the human being and it is much faster than the human being. That's why people use computer for preparing the report card so that they can prepare the report card very quickly and without any mistake. Next point is it keeps the record of a student because the memory storage capacity of a computer is much larger than the human being so that we use computer for storing the details of students. Okay, and because a computer can keep records for a long time without any we can say without any mistake. That's why we use computer for recording the information and details of various students. Now the next one is it is used in school library and fees counter. A computer can be used for recording and for maintaining the systematic arrangement of various files and fees detail. That's why we use computer for recording the details of these all these books and fees we can say so that we use computer in this field also. Okay, because by using computer we can keep the information about various things in a very systematic manner. That's why so that we can work with the computer very easily. Okay, now the next point is at home we can use the computer at our home also. So the steps are points are we can say the first one is computer help you to do your homework and play games. Students use computer for completing their homework है ना and for playing games also. So in this way the computer is helpful for children at homes also. Now the next point is it helps you to listen to music and watch movies. Computer can also use for enjoying the music and movies also with the help of applications like um, media player VLC. We can watch and listen music. Okay, watch movie and listen music also. Next point is it helps you to purchase items through internet. This is popularly known as online shopping because uh, online shopping means as you I think each and every student is aware about this term na online shopping. Why? If you are using internet for shopping then it's called as online shopping. In the shopping you don't have to go to the shops है ना simply by ordering through the internet you can purchase anything from the market. So that's called as online shopping. This will result in reduction of time we can say and money also है ना. So it helps in reducing the time, reducing the wastage of time and wastage of money also. So for this purpose also a computer is used at home. It can help in doing calculation. Yes, the calculation speed of a computer is very fast. So you can use computer for this work also. Now next topic is at offices. Yes, computer are widely used in the many of the offices. है ना? Computer is used for typing and printing documents with the help of MS Word, MS PowerPoint also. You can perform a lot of work through the Internet. So for this purpose, for typing and for printing documents, we use computer at our offices. We can send and receive messages and other data through emails using our computer. With the help of internet, we can also transfer data. है ना? We can communicate with other person with the help of internet. So for that purpose also computer is used in offices. We can also send and receive emails using computers. We can store large amount of data in computer rather than keeping its files, है ना? Because a large amount of data can be collected and can be stored in computer so that the wastage of pages, है ना? The wastage of pages can be reduced. So in this way also we can use computer at our offices. Now the next one is in shops. In many of the shops in present era we can say computers are used. So computers are used to keep details about products and prices of different item, because it's very difficult to remember है ना, each and every item with their prices and cost, MRP, expiry date, etc. So we can use computer for recording all these details है ना. By scanning the barcode only they can give the full detail about that product. So in this way also we can use computer in shops. Second is used to calculate and prepare bills quickly without making mistakes, because computers are very fast and reliable also, so they can prepare bills quickly without making a single mistake. Next one is we can keep the record of our customer. Yes, the record of customer can also be stored with the help of computer, so that we can send them offers and schemes for attracting customer for buying the items from the particular shop. Next is at railway station and airport. Railway station and airport. I think you know about reservation. Computers are used to provide information about the arrival and departure of train and aeroplanes. So for this purpose also we can use computer at airport and railway station. Computers are used for booking and cancellation of ticket for passengers. So in this way it is reliable for the consumers, for the passengers we can say, to work with the computers. Okay, it can also help to track the location and direction of the trains and aeroplanes. With the help of computer and GPS devices we can easily track the location of the vehicle or the trains and aeroplanes. Next is keeping in record of all the passengers. So for keeping the details and the records of passengers we use computer at these places. Next one is in banks. Yes, in banks also computer are used for with a wide scope. Okay, first is helps in maintaining the accounts of customer. With the help of computer we can easily maintain the various accounts, current account, saving account, etc. of the various customer. You can also maintain the loan account, liability and all these account with the help of computer of various customer. Next point is help in keeping the record of the money deposited in bank. So in this way, we can also keep record of the amount of money that is deposited in the bank. Computer help in withdrawing money from ATM. ATM is also a type of computer. So with the help of this ATM, we can say we can withdraw money very easily, है ना? Within a few minutes. Now in hospital also we use computer for many of the purpose. Just like used by doctors in operation. Yes, with the help of computer in present era doctors are performing many of the operations, है ना? Useful in diagnose many diseases. For treating many of the diseases computers are used. Okay, for diagnosis process also used. For medical test, many of the medical tests are also performed with the help of customer, just like sonography we can say, x-ray. All these medical tests can be performed with the help of computer. Medical reports are prepared with the help of computer. So they can be prepared easily and without any mistakes. In this way, computers are useful in hospitals also. And now, computer is useful in designing also. Used by architect. Architect are the people who used to design various buildings, houses and bridges. Okay. So for these purpose also, an architect can use computer. Used by engineer in designing car, aeroplanes and machine. Many of these equipments are designed by engineer with the help of computer. Computer is used in designing clothes, shoes, jewelry, etc. You can see in this picture now, this person is designing a slipper. In this way, for designing many of the jewelry, shoes and clothes, a computer is used. helpful in designing advertisement, animations, movies, and a lot of many things. With the help of computer, we can easily design our advertisement, है ना? uh, all the movies and we can say the serials are animated with the help of computer only. So in this way computer is very useful in this field also. Next one is in scientific research and army. Okay, because in this era the in scientific research is we can say is in developing mode, we can say, है ना? Because scientific research and army are working for their development, so they also use computer for this work also. A computer is very helpful to scientists in designing robots and gadgets. With the help of this computer, they are, we can say, they are able to design many of the robots and gadgets also, है ना? So that they can perform many of the invention and researches. It also helps to control the satellite, missiles, and rockets. Many of the satellites that are revolving around our Earth and many of the other planets, they can be controlled only with the help of computer, है ना? Now next one is helps in forecasting the weather. A computer is very useful for this purpose also, for forecasting the weather. Whether the we can say season will be winter and summer, and if there is any condition about the storm and thunderstorm, etc. So for these forecasting also we can say scientists use many of the computers. Those computers are of, we can say, a huge quality. Okay, they are very high tech in technology, so those type of computer are very different from the usual computer that we are using in our daily life. Okay, because they were the supercomputer which are used by many of the scientists. Now this is our last slide. In publication, yes, we use computer for designing the books, newspaper, etc. The books through which you are we can say reading, है ना? These books are also printed or published with the help of computer. So for this purpose also we use computer in our life. So in this way we can say that a computer is used for many of the works in our daily life. So a computer is very useful for us. So I think this chapter is also completed. Okay, so let's meet in the next class with the next chapter. Thank you.